If you get pulled over by the police, what should you do? First of all, don't panic. Just pull over. We all remember, keep your hands at 9 and 2. Be calm. Don't panic. All right? So you're going to pull over. The police officer is going to come up to the car, and they may ask you right away for your driver's license. They may ask you for your name. They may ask you even where you're going or what are you doing. All right? At the end of the day, by law, you do not have to answer any of those questions other than your name. You have to identify yourself. By law, you have to identify yourself. But you don't have to say where you're going. You don't have to say where you're coming from. You don't have to say whose car this is. Like, no other questions you have to answer. Now, once you tell them what your name is, all right, you identify yourself, or if you have a valid driver's license, give them your driver's license. And then if they start asking you other questions, just say, I politely refuse to answer those questions. You have my identification, or you have my name and who I am. I, by law, don't have to answer any of your questions, all right? Be very polite about it, very calm about it, but just let them know I gave you the information that you need. You can identify who I am and let that be it. All right. If they ask if they can search your car, do you have anything in the car? Anything, no, sir, I do not consent to a search. At the end of the day, why do they want to search your car? Why do they want to look at it? And you do not have to consent, but they are relying on you being scared and saying, yes, you can search my car. Even if you did anything, you haven't done anything wrong and there's nothing in the car, still don't consent to a search, all right? If for some reason they have, a probable cause that you are a person that they're looking for and that you committed a crime or whatever, this, that, and the other, then they're going to have to basically prove it, all right? So at the end of the day, if you are pulled over by the police, everyone, please be calm, pull over, hands at 9 and 2, do the normal, identify yourself, tell them who you are, all right? But you don't have to say where you live. You don't have to say where you're going. You don't have to say where you're coming from. You don't have to let them know whose vehicle this is. All you have to do by law is identify yourself and then calmly and respectfully say, I respectfully refuse to answer any of your other questions. You have my driver's license or you have my name. And that's all by law that I have to give you.